evening, good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you may be. Today I'm showing you guys something I've been interested in for a little while, but haven't really had a chance to show anybody. So I'm reviewing the Spy Viper S670 drone here. It doesn't have any special cameras, any special hovering features or anything. I've had this for about 3-4 years now, and it's served me pretty well, just for flying around the yard and whatever. So how this works is you just have the drone here. Something cool to note about is these bumpers on the outside of the propeller, so even if you hit a wall or a person, whatever, you won't ruin the propellers. So looking on the underside is where the battery is stored, so you can take and in addition, this set also comes with a controller, and just to give you a good look at that, your left and right joysticks, your bumpers to calibrate your flight in case it drifts left or right or forward and back, a controller for sensitivity, power button of course, and then your stunt button, which I can talk about in a future episode. It also comes in, so I believe this drone only came with one battery, so what I did is I went on Amazon and bought a little charging station. This was able to charge 6 batteries at once, and you can see indicator lights for each of these. And all it does, it charges off standard USB, so it's really convenient to just plug in and take anywhere with you. I would say a battery, these are your standard lithium-ion batteries. They're 850 milliamp hours, 3.7 volts, and they'll give you a good 10-15 minute flight time if you have them fully charged. So I'm going to put one of these in, and I'm going to do a little indoor demo here. So what you do is you just slide it in, face side up, goes in like that, and then you take your red battery cable, plug it into the drone's matching cable. So you'll see it plug in. The drone will flash like that, meaning it is available to connect to with the controller, and then turning on the controller will pair it with the drone. Really easy. Only takes 30 seconds. And you're ready to fly. So I currently have it set to sensitivity 1. Oh, another thing to mention is, I'm just going to open this controller up and show you something else. This controller is also powered with, it is 4, I forget if it's 4 AA or AAA, but I'm checking to see. Yep, the controller runs on 4 AAA batteries. So let's put this guy back on. Alright, so spool it up like that. Just give it a little rev, why not? And off we go. Alright, so for those of you who haven't flown a drone before, the controls are really simple. Yeah. Alright.
Are we going outside?
Alright, yeah, let's take this thing outside.
Alright.
Alright, so this will be another demo flight video just showing you how the Spy Viper S670 works. So, in most ideal situations you would get 10 minutes or so of flight time, but since these batteries are a little older, I won't get as much. But I can easily show you the basics anyway. So we're plugged in, controller's turned on. There we go. Alright, she's synced. So for turning left and right, you're using the left joystick to move left and right, and then for tilting in all directions, you're using the right joystick. So I'll show you. I'll give it a little spin, and then we'll take off down and back. So, up. Give it a spin. And ideally, you want to be flying this in low wind conditions. Oh no. Oh, the battery's already dead. No! Don't worry, I have more. That's why I bought 6. And of course, you want to make sure that little sticks and things don't get stuck in these leaves. Just making sure to keep your equipment clean. So these are really easy to connect and disconnect. It's only one cable. So whoop, in the pocket it goes. Alright, to show you the responsiveness of this thing, I'll put it on a higher sensitivity setting, and I can show you. You can make really tiny adjustments in your flights. So, oh, come on, get up there. So yeah, see it moving back and forth really easy. Over the head. Oh, she's already coming down. Yeah, I would say charge these batteries as much as possible before you fly, of course. And down she goes again.
Out of battery?
Yep. Alright. So,
any final remarks?
Yep, again, this was the Sky Viper S670. The company that makes these actually doesn't sell this particular model anymore, but they do have the Fury, the Scout, and I also believe there's a Nano model, which is like a quarter of the size of this one. But yeah, I'm sure you can find these on eBay for a pretty reasonable price if you want to pick this one up. Yeah, I'd rate it a 9 out of 10. It's fun to fly around, yeah. For I would say casual drone hobbyists, yeah, this would be a good first step. Anyway, like and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this.